Hello, friends. Today, we're joining the adventurous 3-year-old Advik on a farmyard number quiz adventure. Get ready to have a blast as we explore numbers and learn fun facts about farm animals. Our adventure starts with number 1. Advik spots a gentle cow munching on grass. "Hello, cow," he says. The cow moves back, and Advik finds the cow knows food. Did you know cows have 4 stomachs to help digest their food? Now Advik comes across 2 ducks swimming in a pond. Quack, quack, hello. How fun. Ducks are excellent swimmers and even have waterproof feathers. As Advik explores further, he finds number 3 piglets rolling in the mud. Oink, oink, they play. Piglets are known for their strong sense of smell, which helps them find food. Look there. Advik discovers 4 chicks pecking at grains. Tweet, tweet, they chirp. Chicks can recognize their mother's cluck from the moment they hatch. Oh, what's this? Advik spots 5 horses in a stable. They're so majestic. They neigh and trot around. Neigh, neigh. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. Advik's adventure takes him to 6 sheep grazing in a meadow. They bleat softly. Baa, baa. Sheep have excellent peripheral vision, which helps them watch for predators. Advik heads to the barn where he meets 7 cackling chickens. Cluck, cluck, they announce. Did you know that chickens have a special language to communicate with each other? In the vegetable garden, Advik finds 8 bouncing bunnies. They hop around playfully. Boing, boing! Bunnies have teeth that never stop growing, so they need to chew on things to keep them trimmed. Advik's adventure leads him to 9 turkeys strutting about proud. Gobble, gobble, they call out. Turkeys have a keen sense of taste and can even see in color. Finally, Advik reaches the orchard where he finds 10 colorful roosters. They crow loudly. Roosters are known for their crowing, which helps them announce the start of a new day. Let's summarize the numbers we learned now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey! Good job! What a fantastic farmyard number adventure with Advik. We learned so much about numbers and the amazing farm animals. Remember, numbers are all around us, and learning can be so much fun. Thanks for joining us, and stay curious, little explorers.